The Center for Experiential Learning, or CEL, is the place where our undergraduate and graduate students learn the fundamentals of being a nurse and being a nurse practitioner. We really try to mirror the hospital setting. There are 8 beds, 8 mannequins we put on beds, 2 students per bed in each lab session. And then we have our VR, which you can't forget about, our immersive VR downstairs, where it's more of that critical thinking and prioritization that they practice. Students can learn how to incorporate all those fundamental skills and elevate that to learn critical thinking. We talk about cues and concerns. We talk about subjective and objective things to recognize. We go through everything, the interventions, the assessment, the reassessments, and then all the way down to cultural competence and holistic care.
Being on the forefront of this new trend that we're seeing in nursing education really sets Valpo on the national stage.
Valpo creates a really wonderful environment where students learn that it is okay to fail and make mistakes and reflect and learn from those in a lot of lower stakes environments in our simulated suites, through our virtual reality. And those things are really unique to our education here.
As close to practice as we can get so that we can prepare safe and expert nurses and just really show what college of nursing health professions and Valparaiso University can do.
VR specifically helps you in a very safe environment, but it feels very real.
And that's so important because you want to feel like you are part of this.
This is another really fun thing that we get to do. Not very many other schools get to have. Just a cool learning experience, and I'm just glad that we get to do it, but also just learn from it, and it's helping us become better nurses.
Anything we can do to get them immersed into a simulated hospital setting where they are the ones in charge is going to be beneficial to their learning.
A program that is so true to life. I think that's what sets us apart, because as a nurse, you are going to have some failures. You're going to have some ups and downs. So we present that to them where they can work through it, and we support them in that.
Your student will feel so taken care of here at Valparaiso University. They are known by name, their faculty are integrated into their lives, and we care about what happens to them both inside and outside of these 4 walls.